I pledge my loyalty to my alma mater, University of Rizal System Morong. With firm belief in good intentions, I uphold its ways of molding us to be better citizens and be the pride of our parents, community, and beloved country. Believing that education is the greatest legacy, I uphold it. I shall always act according to what has been taught, to be worthy of its good name and reputation. I shall consecrate myself to the noble task and to the great ideals and dynamism for which the university stands. With the help of Almighty, I shall always live up to the expectations of our devoted mentors and shall dedicate myself in the name of service and my beloved alma mater. So help me God.